Working with the Bronx Zoo, Farm On Foundation produced a garden that we're standing in, and it is the idea of understanding where your food comes from. It's a connection to seed and soil, it's understanding of food waste and compost and how that grows organic vegetables, and then it's based around pollination, which every third bite of food comes from a bee. It's important for kids to be involved in seed and soil, and at the Bronx Zoo, creating this garden, they can come and experience it. They can touch the seed, they can dig in the soil. It's filled with living things that create wellness.
At the end of your visit at the Children's Zoo, there's actually a domestic area for a farm. So there's goats and there's chickens and roosters, there's even donkeys. And as part of that whole really wonderful concept of farms, we wanted to be more expansive and turn it also into a very major part of it, who supplies our food supply, but farms. So that's why we created this garden. We have a vegetable garden, and then we have an area where we call it Can You Dig It? So that we can actually teach our visitors how you can dig your very, very own garden. Working with Farm On, who's brought us just wonderful resources to be able to make the magic of farming come to life.
When you connect kids to seeds, they're participating in this really magical process that connects them to food in a different way. To see that little tiny seed and what it can turn into and what it can produce gets them excited about growing, and also a deeper understanding of life, of how life works, of where things come from.
We got seeds. We got do it ourselves.
Are you going to plant it, Ryan?
Yeah, we're going to plant it for our school. Plant it. And then we're going to show it, and then they're going to be so proud.
Farm On and the Bronx Zoo have brought together people who are teaching people about food. Because remarkably, animals are food, but also animals need to be fed. We need to feed ourselves, and teaching children the entire cycle of life and allowing them to do something that gets their hands dirty, engages them, allows them to question, to touch, to taste, to smell, to plant, to nature, to get involved is really what this is all about. And you teach children about nature, you teach them to nurture. And when children learn to nurture, we as a society collectively embrace our better nature. We're not just growing food, we're growing citizens, we're growing opportunity.
If you meet your farmer and you come to an activity like How Does Your Garden Grow at the Bronx Zoo, you connect to that seed and soil and you understand more about what your food choices impact your body and your community.